Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the video and turning captions on. Make sure subtitles are available for that video. Once done, click the gear icon on desktop or the three dots on mobile, then choose Subtitles/CC. You need to access subtitle settings to change appearance, so don't skip this. Make sure you're signed in if you want to save preferences. This gets you immediately into the controls where you can adjust size, font, and background, the practical settings you'll use next. Now you focus on appearance. Choose options on desktop or caption preferences on mobile. Increase the font size to a comfortable level. Pick a clear font and a high contrast color so text stands out. Adjust background color and opacity to separate captions from busy scenes, and set an edge style like outline or drop shadow for extra legibility. You'll notice immediate changes. Keep tweaking until size and contrast match your screen and lighting. Those small adjustments make the biggest difference. Finish by saving your preferences and testing them across videos and playback sizes. Theater mode and full screen reveal different readability. If your changes don't stick, ensure you're signed in and have saved caption settings, or change system-level captions in device accessibility. If captions are missing, confirm the video has captions or that auto captions are enabled. Disable conflicting browser extensions and update the app. One troubleshooting tip: clear YouTube cache or restart the app. That often fixes persistent display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.